This is one of the videos made by KTI. It's a vision of Europe in 10 years' time, overrun by Muslims with terrorist attacks every day, and London, Luton and Birmingham occupied by Muslim forces. Knights Templar International wants to differentiate itself from other Templar organisations and likes to keep its leaders hidden, but its public face is Jim Dawson.
We are a militant Christian organisation. Bones around it, we're militant for people on the ground in Syria, people on the ground in Iraq, and right now people on the ground in Kosovo.
I haven't come across the organisation before, but Matthew Collins has. He's a former player on the far right who works for the anti-racist
In
NGO
100 yards,
Southwick.
turn left onto Riverside Road.
International behave as if they are a secret order. Knights Templar International
Turn left onto Riverside Road, then take the first right.
Very distant and dark age. And I would say Dawson very much is the sort of person who would like to take a large chunk of Europe back to a dark age before there were particular rights for women, for gay people, people of colour, people of other religions.
Knights Templar International was set up in 2015 with a company registered in the UK, but it has a growing international presence.
It's a membership organisation that people can join, and through it
Turn right at the traffic light, then take the second left.
Dawson portrays himself as a Christian minister, and the Knights Templar International has people dotted around Europe who are given titles like Grand Dragon, I believe is one of them, in countries around Europe, particularly former Eastern European countries.
You might be thinking Jim Dawson is pretty closely associated with it, but he's always denied any formal connection with Knights Templar International. KTI has been very active in Hungary, and I know Jim Dawson has been there.